Hi guys, welcome to Tri333. I'm Winston, sporting a new 745cc parallel twin engine. Honda create a brand new big-bore scooter. Introducing the Forza 750.
Start it up.
This Forza 750 packs a 5-inch TFT display that's easily readable in bright sunlight, and the interface supports an all-new Honda smartphone voice control system, HSVCS for short. This allows the rider to connect his or her phone to the bike and manage things like phone calls, music, and navigation using voice commands. Button controls are also available and very easily accessible. Be aware that the system is currently still in development, but knowing Honda, we can expect a crisp and reliable system soon. Featuring 4 riding modes: Standard, Rain, User, and Sports. The Forza 750 allows the rider to have custom options over engine power, engine braking, gear change aggression, and torque. The DCT transmission is smooth, consistent, fast, and seamless. You can use these pedals to change gears should you wish to. A small glove compartment that you cannot lock. This machine has a smart key system. You turn the bike on using this style. It's very unlike the usual ones we've seen on other bikes. This rubberized button allows you to open the fuel compartment and the 22-liter rear storage space. The rear wheel is a 15-inch that comes with a Bridgestone Battleax Sports Touring T31 tyre. If you notice that the rim design, it is a unique cross design pattern similar to a spokes tyre that you don't commonly see on a maxi-scooter. The rear suspension is a 120mm travel that is non-adjustable. Legroom. There's ample space in the legroom and doesn't feel cramped. The cooling vents within the fairing allows efficient heat dissipation from the radiator. The front wheel is a 17-inch rim that comes with Bridgestone Battleax Sports Touring T31. The front suspension Showa 120mm travel, non-adjustable. Auto-cancelling LED signal lights, and ESS, emergency stop signal function. If you travel more than 53 km per hour or more, under hard braking, there will be hazard lights. LED headlights, touring windshield. I'm 1.78 meters tall. Let me show you how I look on this bike. The turning radius of this bike is small for a maxi scooter. Let us show you as well.
Start it up.
In our opinion, one would think that the Forza 750 is an upgrade to the Forza 300. However, we found that this would be closer to a detuned XADV instead. We believe that the parallel twin engine contributes to this character. The power windshield of the Forza 300 2018 didn't cross over to the 750, and cruise control isn't available despite the machine having throttle by wire. We would have preferred the 2018 Forza 300 headlight design and mirrors with integrated signal lights on the 750. We found the heat of the bike to be quite noticeable after riding for some distance. The extended foot position is small and you will scratch the paint if you are not careful. For riders around my height, you might find the handlebar a tad too low, probably a bit higher would be better. The seat feels flimsy in its open position, however, it's very spacious and comfortable, ample space for a pillion as well. Exhaust looks very similar to the XADV 750, just that it is at a different angle position. DCT transmission has been greatly improved. Gears change are very smooth and changes at the right RPM. We didn't experience any surges like the older DCT models. Those of you guys who are riding the older DCT models will totally understand what I'm talking about. Handling of this machine is exceptional and very well balanced. Very noticeable at low speeds. It's very easy to handle and it almost feels like I can do a narrow plank forever. Coming from the Forza 300, we expected the power of the engine to be mild and smooth. However, we were very pleasantly surprised that it turned out to be a very fun and sporty machine. It is a completely different motorcycle. We were very happy with the non-adjustable stock suspension. The bike was very planted and gave confidence in the corners. Overall, we were very happy with the Honda Forza 750 and highly recommend you to book a demo. Try it out for yourself because it probably isn't what you expect. See you on the road.